Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My beautiful name is Makena J, and in case you see me for the first time, please feel at home, subscribe, like and comment. Happy New Year! How is your year doing so far? This is actually the first day of 2025. Can you believe it? Like 2024 is just gone. I think nowadays days are going so quickly, not like when we were younger. Days are going so quickly, but we are grateful for it all. God's mercies and prayers be following us everywhere we go, and we are really grateful for that. We are grateful to be here today to be able to see a new year. Guys, it's really it's really windy, but I hope you can hear me well. So I think I'll be doing a recap. I haven't been posting the last week of December for reasons that I could not escape, and I'll actually tell you, I'll let you know why I haven't been posting. But right now I just want to do a recap. This is the first day of 2025. Like, I cannot believe it. The year has just flew by, and to be honest, I feel like 2025 is going to blow by as is it blow flow. Okay, it's just going to finish so quickly, right? And like nowadays you can say that you don't want to start doing something because you feel like the time is not right, but to be honest, right now is the right time. That's why I'm even doing a video on the first day of 2025, because guys, this year one of my biggest resolutions is to be consistent to be consistent on YouTube. And I don't know how your 2025 is taking you. I don't know how your first day is taking you, and how 2024 took you. For me, 2024, guys, if you remember, we started traveling. You remember we went to Mombasa, we went to Narok, like Masai Land. We even went to Uganda. Hey, like that was really nice. I remember I started the year on a hot, on a hot seat. Okay, not hot seat, but that's psyched up. I thought I'll be traveling the entire year, but it came to a point, like sometimes being on the move 24/7, I realized it was not for me, guys. Like, I realized I cannot be on the move all the time. I think naturally women need to relax. It's not natural for women to be like on the move 24/7. It was an amazing experience. It's not that I'll not like to travel anymore, guys, because one thing I think I appreciated about that experience, it taught me what the kind of traveling I would like. For me, if I want to travel, I want to travel in style. I want to travel in luxury. I don't want to be traveling in a bus. Next time I travel, I want to travel in an aeroplane without like getting so tired and all that. And I also don't want to be on the move 24/7. For me, traveling is all about keeping a balance between your life, between your other life, and also like being able to go to places once in a while. For me, being on the move 24/7, like I realized, guys, it is not for me. Oh. So right now I'm coming straight out of the countryside, right? But guys, I'm actually ready. I want to go home and see my mom on the first day of the year. I'm really excited. Yeah, I really want to go and see my mom, and I will be uploading this video on my way, or once I get home, because there's Wi-Fi over there. Yeah, how is your 2025 taking you? I have so many goals for 2025, some of which I cannot share because there's some goals for 2024 that I want to now like really be serious with them, because guys, that's why I was telling you that time is really flowing so quickly nowadays, and it's good to ensure that those things that you must achieve before the end of that year. And I have some of those things, I've written them down, and you'll see some of them. Yeah, I'm really this year I really want to fulfill some of the goals I did not fulfill in 2024. And I feel like 2025, I'm really going to grow as a person, to change, not in a bad way, to change in a good way, both mentally. I feel like right now it's when what is it called? I heard that when girls get to 25 years, it's when their frontal lobe develops and they can see the world more clearly in a different and mature perspective. And I feel like my hey, my God, my frontal lobe has developed, and I feel like 2025 is really going to be a lot of growth for me, because this year I want to learn how to sew. Can't say all of them. I actually did not get my driving license last year because I started traveling before I could. So I'm really hoping even this year, like not even this year, I'm hoping this year I'll be able to get my driving license as well. And I'm going to grow more. And right now I know what I want. Yeah, because let me tell you, that traveling experience taught me exactly what I want. Yeah, I know what I want this year. So I feel like this year I'm really going to grow a lot. As you can see, guys, I shaved my head. I shaved my head, my hair, not my head. I shaved my hair, and it's growing back. I'm not going to shave it again because I love my hair. So I'm not going to shave it again, but I did this so that I can start a new life. Guys, I just like want to start afresh and all that. Like, you know, it usually gets to that point where you feel like you need a fresh start. Like you've been so confused for so long, but right now you can see clearly. You can see everything so clearly. I don't know if you understand, guys. So I'm really excited for 2025. We shaved our hair and it's a fresh start. I love my hair so much, but it's going to grow back. Yeah, so I don't know what else to say, guys. I don't know what else to say, but to encourage you, 2024 for me, I can say, let me do a simple recap. This last week of December, I've actually not been posting because I was in the hospital. I don't know. You remember last year but one, oh my goodness, last year but one in 2023, by the end of the year, I was in the hospital. Apparently, those things have been following me even up to this year. And one of them is like, when I'm taking meds, I usually my stomach do not like water. And when I do not take water, my blood pressure usually go down. So I was taking some meds and I was not taking water, and my blood pressure really went down. I'm too young to be having those kind of issues, but I know I can keep it a balance. Like, I've realized it's something. I was not taking it seriously, but now this December, imagine on date 24 I was in the hospital, date 24 of Christmas. So I don't want to, like, I've seen if I don't manage it well, it can make me not even have a good Christmas like this time. But the Christmas for this time has been different. As you can see, I'm coming from a new home that have embraced me, my in-laws. I really love them so much, guys, and I respect them, and I'm really grateful to God that I have the best in-laws, I have the best mother-in-law, and yeah, that's why I'm telling you, like, this is going to be different, because right now I'm really trying to build myself. Yeah, like, I'm trying not to focus on myself. My focus mostly has been on my family, but I can't, like, my family is a part of me, but this year I'm also going to focus also on me, on myself, because guys, if you don't love yourself first, how will you be able to love other people? Okay, if you don't work hard and have money, how are you going to take care of other people if you can't take care of yourself? That's why, like, I'm telling you, this year I'm going to focus on myself, loving myself more, improving in a lot of skills that I want to improve in. Like, I'm really excited for this year. I want to love myself fully so that I can be able to share that love to other people. So this year for me, 2025, is all about self-love. It's all about another thing that I'm really looking forward for, guys. I've been really struggling. I'm really struggling. I want to have a very close relationship with God. Like this year, I'm going to be very serious. I'm going to be very serious. I want to have a very close relationship with God. But yeah, self-love is all about those things. It's all about taking care of yourself, creating stable, good relationship, healthy relationships. And as you all know, guys, right now I have a boyfriend that I love so much. I have another family that has welcomed me, that I love so much. May the goodness of God follow them always, and follow also my other family where I come from, and this family that my boyfriend comes from. Yeah, so I'm really like, this year I also want to grow more, a better, like, not a better, or can I say, of course a better one, and improve on my relationship also with my boyfriend and all that. Like, there's so many things that I want to focus on. Just know that this year is all about growth. I'm just so excited. I'm really grateful to be healthy, guys. I'm out of the hospital. I was out of the hospital on the 30th. So right now I'm good. I'll be taking water. My blood pressure won't go down again. So I'm really excited. I'm so excited for this year. So could you see my heart? So guys, I don't know what's your resolutions for 2025. So right now, I'm getting ready. I'm actually ready, but I want to get lunch and head back home and see my mom. But I'll be uploading videos. There are videos that I had shot before I got sick, and oh my goodness, those videos were supposed to be uploaded before 2025, but now I'll have to upload them after 2025. I'm not complaining. It's all God's plan. God knows why. God knows why. Yeah, so I'm also praying that God will guide me in everything. You know, it's for us human beings to make the plans, but it's God who helps us make them successful. So I'm really excited. I'm so excited, guys. Are you excited for 2025? Me, I'm really excited, to be honest. Yeah, that is all I can say. Guys, I don't know what else to say, but just that I'm so excited and I'm so happy. I'm so grateful for a new year. And I expect a lot from myself. Yeah, I expect a lot from myself. Thank you so much. My boyfriend opened a YouTube channel. Please go and subscribe. It's called Nyaga_KE. Please go and subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's still getting to it slowly by slowly. He'll come through slowly by slowly. So go and subscribe to his YouTube channel, please. And thank you so much, guys. Also, another person I would like, there are a lot of people I would like to thank for 2024. And that is my family, my mother, my father, my siblings. Thank you so much for being in my life. Thank you, grandma, for being in my life. Thank you, my boyfriend, for being in my life. Thank you, my beautiful family, my YouTube online family, for being in my life. I'm just so grateful for you. You're just the best, honestly. You're the best. I have best friends. I have moms. This year I was even able to meet one of you, Mom Trinisha, wherever you are. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. There are so many of you that I can't mention, but thank you so much that you've taken me through the year. Thank you so much. One person that I can never fail to mention is Julian. Thank you so much wherever you are. Julian, stay blessed. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. All my online moms. Oh my goodness. May God bless you. My online dads, my online sisters, my online brothers, even my online children. Guys, you know, we are growing old as well, and we are also getting children. My online children, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Love yourself this year. 2025 is an year for self-love and for growth. Yeah, I really appreciate you. I appreciate, guys, I was actually recording on my phone. Once it records 8 minutes, it usually cuts the video, so I didn't record the last part. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. As you've said, this is the year for growth. Oh, thank you. Guys, it's the season for mangoes over here. And we have, like, I'm sitting right under a mango tree. Oh my goodness, the countryside is blessed. I'm sitting behind this. What is this? These sweet potatoes. That is azola for chicken. I have a video for azola coming up. Please check it out. Okay, wait for it. I don't know how to say it. So as I was saying, I'm really grateful for you. This is the year for growth, year for self-love. So guys, I don't want to be late because I'm traveling. Right now it's 2 p.m. So let me go and have lunch with my family and get home and greet my mother as well. I love you all so much. Thank you to everyone who has loved me this year, who has supported me this year, who has hugged me genuinely, who has cried with me, who has laughed with me. I really appreciate you all, and I'm so grateful for all the achievements I've had in 2024. I have had so many of them. Yeah, and I'm really grateful. I'm so grateful. Even being alive is an achievement. Being able to exist, being able to breathe, being able to eat. There's no single day that I've slept without food on my table. There's no day that I've slept without somewhere to sleep. So I'm really grateful. And if you're going through something this beginning of the year, I'm so sorry, and may God see you through. May God see you through. So I'm really excited for the year, guys. Stay tuned and guys, there's some kids, like, we had people over the holiday, so they are surprised. Am I talking to myself? Anyways, thank you so much. I'm going to end the video here. Yeah, thank you so much. I love you all. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.